Our Lookfar makes cruising and commuting easy. It comes with riser bars for more upright riding position, and our Fairdale logo saddle will give you hours of comfort. It comes with our matching Fairdale swan grips, and the trigger shifter makes it easy to get through all 7 gears. The frame also comes with Rack and Fender mounts. The wide Continental tires makes it fast on smooth ground while still being able to handle rough terrain. For your feet are Odyssey pedals and Fairdale cranks. It has the same geometry as our popular Weekender model, and you can get it in 4 sizes. It's available in black or Cadet Blue.